Welcome to 496 Hethrington Avenue, a modern bi-level duplex built in 2017, offering a smart opportunity for homeowners and investors. Each unit features 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, with functional layouts designed for comfortable, everyday living. The upper suite is vacant and ready for your occupancy. The lower suite is currently tenanted, providing immediate rental income to offset your ownership costs. Live upstairs and let the lower unit help pay your mortgage, or rent out both units as a turnkey investment property. Located in desirable Lord Roberts, this property benefits from strong rental demand, proximity to transit, schools, parks, and quick access to downtown and Osborne Village amenities. An ideal entry point into real estate investing or a practical house hacking opportunity in a consistently sought-after neighborhood. If you're looking for your next investment or a house hacking opportunity, be sure to book with your realtor today.